Hello students, welcome all of you once again in my series of video lectures. In the 11th chemistry, we have started with this chapter Adsorption and Colloids. We have studied different important topics in my previous videos. Now, in this video, we are going to study the topic that is examples of colloids. In this topic, we shall study different examples of colloids which we come across in our day-to-day life. First example is blue color of the sky. Now we know that the sky seems us to be blue. म्हणजे आकाश आपल्याला निळं दिसतं. म्हणजे असं का दिसतं? तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे स्कॅटर होणारा कलर आहे तो ब्ल्यू कलर आहे, निळा रंग आहे की जो आपल्या डोळ्यापर्यंत पोहोचतो, विच रिचेस टू आवर आईज. आणि असं का होतं? तर मायन्यूट और स्मॉल डस्ट पार्टिकल्स दे आर डिस्पर्स्ड इनटू स्मॉल और मायन्यूट water particles or water droplets in the air. So smallest minute dust particles and the minute water particles, they disperse into the air and they scatter blue colored light. They scatter blue colored light, that is blue light, which reaches to our eyes and therefore the sky seems us to be blue. म्हणजे हे जे रंग ब्ल्यू कलर आपल्याला दिसतो त्याची स्कॅटरिंग होते डस्ट पार्टिकल्स आणि वॉटर पार्टिकल्समुळे. हे इट इज an example of colloids. Then second is blood. Now we know our blood, it is the colloidal solution or colloidal dispersion of plasma proteins, that is proteins present in plasma. So plasma proteins and antibodies in water. So it is the dispersion of two dispersed phases, that is plasma proteins and antibodies. Dispersion medium here is water. So it is in water. It is also suspension of blood cells and platelets in water. So here blood cells and platelets, they are also dispersed phase and the dispersion medium is water. So it is colloid. Blood is colloid or colloidal dispersion. Then third example is soils. We know the soils, particularly the fertile soil, that is soil in our farm in which we grow the crops. It is also example of colloidal. It is colloidal in nature where the humus, that means the बायोफर्टिलायझर ज्याला आपण जैविक खत म्हणतो, फॉर एक्झाम्पल कॉमनली शेणखत जे वापरतो आपण शेतामध्ये ते. सो दिस ह्युमस ॲक्ट्स ॲज द प्रोटेक्टिव्ह कोलाइड. सो सॉइल in which the humus it is mixed, it acts as the colloidal dispersion, and due to this colloidal nature of soil, it adsorbs the moisture, that is water droplets, small water droplets, and nourishing materials, that is minerals and micronutrients which are required for growth of crops. So these materials are adsorbed on the soil due to its colloidal nature of the soil. So that is, we can say it is application of this adsorption. Then fourth example is fog, mist and rain. आपण वेगवेगळ्या हवामानामध्ये, फॉर एक्झाम्पल इन द विंटर म्हणजे थंडी जास्त असते, हिवाळ्यामध्ये आपण बघतो पहाटे पहाटे उठल्यानंतर धुकं पडलेलं असतं किंवा दवबिंदू पडलेले असतात. So that is nothing but fog, mist, as well as we experience rain. We know rain. So fog, it is formed whenever there is temperature difference between ground and air. म्हणजे जमिनीवरचं टेम्परेचर आणि हवेमधलं टेम्परेचर याच्यामध्ये ज्यावेळेस एक डिफरन्स तयार होतो, फरक तयार होतो, त्यावेळेस हे फॉग तयार होतं, धुकं तयार होतं. मिस्ट, इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय स्मॉल ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वॉटर डिस्पर्स्ड इन एअर. छोटे छोटे पाण्याचे ड्रॉपलेट्स ज्यावेळेस हवेमध्ये पसरतात, दे आर डिस्पर्स्ड इन एअर, देन वी से दॅट इट इज मिस्ट. सो फॉग, मिस्ट, as well as rain, which consist of different constituents, not only water, but other constituents are there. Acid is there, other gaseous materials are there, particles are there. So rain, this is also example of colloids. So fog, mist and rain, all these are the examples of colloids in the nature. So once again we can see the blue color of the sky, then blood in our body, then soil in our farm, and fog, mist and rain in the nature are some common examples of colloids. So students, we will stop here. You see my further videos for next important topics. Thank you very much.